organizer. Liliin ko na siyang serve. Basta may allergens like but the last time na in-unbox ko to, hindi ko pa nabuo and nabuo ko kay Happy. This is the closet with organizer in here. Dati nakakalat lang siya dyan. Ayan, pati mga hangers. Kumbaga, naisip ko siya na way para mas madaling makapag-prepare for travel or kung meron mo mga trips upcoming. Link ko na lang ulit sa description box. And ito ding mga hanger na to. May mga multiple hooks. Ililink ko na lang din sa description box. Update on my dermatitis journey. As you can see, don't be scared. Para dyan sa mga first time na makakakita nito. This one actually is dry. I don't know if you get clarity to the camera. Nag-iwan na lang siya ng konting marks. Basta tuloy-tuloy ko lang siyang ini-scrub. Here is the other side. This start na rin siyang mag-dry up. I'm currently using a sulfur soap with moisturizer. Lilink ko na lang sa description box. And sa mga kagaya ko din na nag-undergone din ng same na challenge as this one. From my previous clip nung December 31st, if napansin nyo na mayroong mga spots na nag-i-start yung aking dermatitis, now it's gone. Although may mga konting texture pa, pero very, very minimal. Then, umabot din siya talaga sa ears. Ibang texture naman siya. Parang pag sobrang init naman or napagpapawisan yung ears ko, parang humahapde siya, something like that. Now, nag-i-start na siyang magtuyo. Usually, ang ginagawa ko dito before, salt and water. I dip it using cotton tips and then I scrub it sa affected area ng ears ko. Well, for me, this task either does not match exactly as requested. That's the last resort. Yeah, and no specifics. Yeah, probably. Ulan, finally hindi sa class back. Nagtanong na rin for check-up. Anyway, kailangan lang ako sigasuhin. Earlier, I went again to Mr. DIY, my go-to place here, and I've got some scoring sponge using this for the faucet para mas malinis, and yung sa sink I've bought a dozen for only 19 pesos. Ganito na siyang kadami. Also, I've got the adhesive soap dispenser. This is my second purchase. I got this for around 100 plus pesos. And lastly, I got this handy hard wall hooks. It's very clever because all you need to do is place it anywhere, and then there is some 3 needle or nails that you need to hammer it on, and then after that it's placed with the nails. You can already hang your frames or your decor. Around probably 59 pesos. This spray paint is in color flat black because I wanted to paint other furniture accessories here which are not in align with the color palette time that I've been looking for. Like for example, this one, wanted to paint this in black color. Inilabas ko. Ayan.
Ang laki na.
Laki sobra.
Sino mo mang ganun laki?
May natin papakita sa apartment. We have a very big frame. Wow, social. What comes with this luggage type case? Sobrang laki. And frame, wedding portrait. Yan sa simbahan. Sa face na rin. Pero wala akong pansin yun. Lagyan ko lang ice cream. Mukha siyang affogato. Yun. Diyan. This is Budol from Get Ready With Me. Another makeup. It's the Radiance Tint Multi-Use Base in ROA Pink. And nakakaganda to for leveled up na coverage sa mga spots, sa mga under eye. Napakaganda nito guys. Dahil yun ako ang gagawa ng sarili kong makeup sa wedding very soon. I was not able to vlog a day before since I got myself checked at the hospital, mainly because of a wound infection. I'm in the midst of recovery alongside with my husband who took care of me that particular day. But today I'm perfectly fine, able to do the usual routine I once had, and thank you so much for those saying their utmost concern and sympathy. Pork curry. Quinoa.
Lambot ka ba? Pumatigas mo.
Matigas pa ko, hindi.
Tapos ko na pinatuloy mo.
Pero di ba na ginawa mo sa chicken yum? Mas madilaw, di ba?
Wala kasing bell pepper kaya parang wala kulang ng laki.
Nakapag-update nitong mga past few days, and currently nandito ako sa kwarto namin and I'm organizing some things, and I have organizer where I put all of the wellness and medicine stuff, and then for yung mga makeup ko, mga pang toiletries and all, medyo dumadami ulit sila. Previously, I also organize yung mga nasa work table. Basta may gawin tayo dyan. Kaya ako inaayos yan. Current update sa akin. In terms sa dermatitis ko, okay na. Talagang mga 95% na okay na ako. Meron mang irritation. So, konting na lang. Pero hindi pa rin ako kumakain ng mga allergens like milk, egg, and chicken. Hanggat hindi totaling fade yung allergy ko. Aside from that, the other day, din ko na na-film regarding dun sa nagpa-outpatient ako. Nagkaroon ako ng yung sugat. So, lumaki na-infect na siya. I'm taking antibiotics for a couple of days. Hopefully, makakagala na ulit ako kasi medyo crippled pa akong maglakad. That's why, binibisi ko muna yung mind ko so that I can be more productive kahit nasa bahay. Lemon Square na bake shop. Ito yung Ensaymada bundle. Assorted na yan. Tsaka cake bar. 3 chocolate. 3 butter bread ba yun? May mocha din pala. Ayan. Lemon Square bakery treats. Isang cake. Cheese. Ito lang alam mo. Ito itong ube. Ube na yun.